Okay, today we're tackling a plant you probably think you know inside and out, aloe vera. It's celebrated, it's everywhere, but it's also at the center of a really surprising and pretty serious controversy.
I mean, we see it in everything, right? Juices, skincare, you name it. They even call it the plant of immortality. But what if this beloved plant has a hidden, darker side? That's the big question we're digging into today.
So first, let's just establish why this plant is so famous in the first place. We've got to understand its massive reputation as the miracle plant.
And its reputation is nothing new. We're talking ancient history here. Greek scholars literally called it a universal remedy. This goes back thousands of years. Even figures like Queen Cleopatra were reportedly using it.
So what is all the fuss about? Well, its resume is kind of incredible. It's famous for healing skin injuries, everything from burns to wounds, for reducing dental plaque, even helping with digestion. Researchers have even studied its potential to lower blood sugar. It really does seem to be the ultimate natural multitasker.
But this is where the story of our miracle plant takes a sharp and pretty unexpected turn.
So, with all these amazing benefits, could there possibly be a downside? I mean, is this miracle plant always safe to use? Get ready for this. Here is an official warning under California's Proposition 65. It states that a specific form of aloe vera may increase the risk of cancer. Whoa, now that is a huge leap from soothing a simple sunburn, isn't it?
And this isn't just an isolated warning. The World Health Organization's International Agency for Research on Cancer, that's the IARC, they classify this form of aloe as a Group 2B substance. In their definition, a possible human carcinogen. Yikes.
So what in the world is going on here? How can the very same plant be both a celebrated healer and a potential health risk? Well, the answer, as it turns out, is literally inside the leaf.
It is time to get a little scientific and take a look inside the aloe leaf to solve this mystery once and for all. You see, an aloe leaf isn't just one big blob of gel. It actually has 3 distinct layers. You've got the tough outer skin, the rind. Then there's the clear inner gel, which is the part we're all familiar with. But sandwiched right between them is this thin layer of bitter yellow liquid called the latex.
And right there, we can pinpoint our compound of concern, aloin. This is a natural chemical found only in that yellow latex layer. It's responsible for the plant's, harsh laxative effects. But it's also the primary reason for those serious health warnings.
This brings us to the core of the whole issue, the big reveal that makes everything make sense, the gel versus the latex.
Seriously, think of it like a hero and a villain living in the same house. On one side, you have the aloe gel, our hero. The clear inner part, full of water and vitamins, great for skin and generally considered safe. On the other side, you have the aloe latex, the villain. That's the yellow residue containing aloin, which is a harsh laxative and is linked to all the health risks. So what does this mean for you in the grocery store? The crucial thing is understanding the labels. If you see decolorized, purified, or inner fillet aloe, that means that yellow latex has been filtered out. This is what's in most products you buy, and it's considered safe. But non-decolorized or whole leaf extract? That's the one that contains the latex and aloin, and it's the specific type that all those health warnings are about. So with this new info, how do you actually navigate the world of aloe? Let's talk about choosing your aloe wisely. Here's your handy guide. In the store, look for those keywords: decolorized, purified, or inner fillet. Easy enough. If you're making your own gel at home from a fresh leaf, stand it upright for about 15 minutes after you cut it, and let that yellow latex drain out completely before you do anything else. And of course, the golden rule. Always talk to your doctor before taking any new supplements. And this isn't brand new information. Way back in 2002, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration ruled that aloe latex was no longer recognized as a safe and effective over-the-counter laxative precisely because of these safety concerns. So, what's the final takeaway here? It's that aloe vera isn't one single thing. It's a plant with 2 totally distinct parts, a soothing, healing gel and a harsh, risky latex. The secret to unlocking its incredible benefits safely is simply knowing which part you're getting. It's a powerful reminder that even with the most natural remedies, what you don't use can be just as important as what you do.